Simply creating a profile and posting random content every once in a while is not enough anymore. Actually, it never was. Yet many businesses don't seem to have a documented social media marketing strategy. Today, we are going to reveal the 10 steps for creating an effective social media strategy. Without any further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Define your starting point. Realizing where you're at when it comes to your social media marketing activities should be the very first thing you do. Research your competitors and find out how your business can stand out from them. Conduct a social media audit to check how, where, and with what results you have been communicating up until now. This will help you identify what works and what doesn't. Some tools you can use are Creately Competitors app, Likealyzer, Facebook Analytics, Instagram Analytics, Twitter Analytics. Step 2. Specify your target group. Understanding your audience is crucial to a successful social media marketing plan. First, check out who your content resonates the most with and see whether this group matches the ideal audience for your brand. Get familiar with relevant survey reports and statistics to gain more insights. Come up with a few personas that will represent that ideal audience. This will basically be a detailed description of specific people with real wants and needs that you want to turn into your fans and followers. Some tools you can use are Brand24, Make My Persona, Google Trends, BuzzSumo. Step 3. Set the objectives. Smart, detailed goals will allow you to create well-structured campaigns, measure your progress, and optimize your social media strategy in the long run. A vague objective can be, I will increase the number of fans on Facebook. A smart goal would be, by the end of the year, I will increase the average engagement rate per post on Facebook by 2%. To make it work, you should establish your expectations and specific goals deriving from a social media marketing plan. What would you like to achieve through your social media presence? Are these goals lining up with the overall marketing strategy for your brand? Set relevant key performance indicators, which should accompany your social media marketing strategy at all times. Step 4. Pick the right communication channels. Be where your target group is. It doesn't necessarily have to be Facebook or Instagram. You can find your target audience on other social networks as well. Check out Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Pinterest, YouTube, or even Quora. Get familiar with the requirements and unique features on each platform. For example, some social networks offer live video streaming options, while others let you make good use of groups. Once you come up with a social media plan, set up missing accounts and improve your existing profiles. Step 5. Think of the best communication lines and content formats for every platform. To diversify your content, you should create unique posts for each social network with their features in mind. Decide what you want to communicate. What would seem the most attractive for your target audience? Identify the content formats you are going to take advantage of and make sure they are all well designed. Specify how often you are going to post across social networks. Define your brand attributes, if any. These can be certain hashtags, using your logo on every visual, or even developing a specific template for all your social media posts. Step 6. Put your social media marketing strategy to work. Designate the tasks. A successful social media marketing strategy often requires a motivated team. Define your social media workflow and name specific tasks. Decide who is responsible for what part of the whole social media content strategy. That is, creating copy or visuals, approving and scheduling posts, moderating the profile. Take advantage of dedicated tools to ease collaboration between team members. Don't forget to include your client, if applicable. In fact, client approval is often needed to maintain a certain brand voice. It might be high time to make it easier instead of exchanging numerous emails. Step 7. Choose the right social media management tool. Think of your needs. Do your research. Once you know what you are looking for, finding tools that have the potential to meet your needs will be much easier. Actually, you will have a proper set of criteria to measure the alternatives against. Test out a few different tools before you decide which one suits your business best. Step 8. Organize your content properly. Plan your content wisely. Choose the optimal times and frequency that work for your target audience best. Step 9. Maximize your reach. Invest in paid campaigns. You can easily boost your post and target the audience you want to. Use retargeting. To get your message across, consider targeting those who are already familiar with your brand. Team up with influencers. This is called influencer marketing. Find those with a similar target audience to yours, who post attractive content and have a significant reach at the same time. Step 10. Analyze the results and constantly optimize your social media marketing strategy. Figuring out what works and what doesn't should be your priority from day one. Strive to increase conversions and improve your social media content strategy at all times. There, you have it. The 10 steps to creating an effective social media strategy. If you got some value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you on the other side.